Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We are going to be discussing Halo Beauty's latest launch, and I want to first thank you guys. If you clicked on this video, that is huge support for me, so thank you for being here, for being interested. Whether you purchase the product or not, I just want to say thank you for being here and for being excited with me, because this has been just so much exciting work. Like, this has been my passion and excitement and interest and focus, and I love the makeup, but I also really love everything underneath the makeup, the skin, the wellness, how we're feeling. I have to say, over the past 6 months, you're seeing launch after launch after launch of color cosmetics, and that's fun and good, and I love reviewing all of that. But I am so happy that what I get to work on is a layer beneath. This is really inside out beauty, and I stand by it, and I'm so happy that I went into this category, even though the launch last time did not go as sparkly and beautiful as I had imagined, and I had to deal with a lot of really rough waters and a lot of really nasty things said personally to me, and it sparked a lot of emotion with people. And I don't want to sit here and be like, oh, poor me, I'm playing the victim. That's not it at all. I learned from it. I grew from it. I am better from it. I have toughened up a little bit in good ways. So moving forward, I am ready to share with you guys what I think you will love, because I heard you and I heard the things that you wanted to change in the hair, skin, nail product. And we did that. And I'm so excited to introduce you guys to Halo Beauty Kiwi Seed Booster. Is this not the most adorable jar of supplements that you've ever seen in your life? Like, it's itty bitty, but packs a punch. This is powerful. This is going to help you to get that glow, that clear skin, and it is everything that you need for your skin to be beautiful and hydrated globally, head to toe. So if you suffer from hydration issues, dry skin, red skin, uneven skin tone, this is going to definitely help to address those skin issues, because it's working not topically, it is working literally from the inside out. So when I launched Halo Hair, Skin, and Nails, a lot of you were excited. It was a successful launch, but there was a lot of confusion, there was a lot of feedback, there was a lot of negative feedback due to some of the ingredients. And along the way, we have seen, you can even right now press pause and go look at the IG for Halo Beauty. You can see that there's so many gorgeous before and afters. There are so many testimonials. There are so many people that are saying, please don't ever stop making this. This is the first item ever out there in this category that has worked for me, and I love it and has changed my life. I get letters, handwritten letters, emails, videos. So many people fell in love with this product so hard. And on one hand, I could have kept going down that avenue and just stopped there and said, cool, this is great, people love it. Let's move on to another category, because I eventually do want to do that. I have so many formulas that have been worked on for a very, very long time. But doing a gut check, the next product that I felt I had to release for you guys was a skin-focused supplement. So this is only skin. There is no biotin, there is no saw palmetto. Those were two ingredients that were pretty hot buttons. So we took the 11 ingredients in Halo Beauty Hair, Skin, and Nails that are helping your skin, put them into a formula, added 3 additional ingredients that are going to work together synergistically to help everything just behave in a way where it's doing what it needs to do to work on your skin glowing, being hydrated. It's antioxidant rich. It's going to help aid in inflammation. There are so many great things that are just skin focused. So now we don't have that biotin. We don't have saw palmetto. This is not going to address hair growing. It's not going to address any of your, brittleness with your nails. So if you're still after those things, then by all means, this is a great formula. The original will always be a very big love of mine. So it's not like this is yesterday's news. This is a powerhouse formula. It's 21 ingredients. This one is $39.95. Halo Kiwi Seed Booster is $29.95. You take 1 supplement every single day. So there are differences here. A lot of people, beyond the issue with biotin and saw palmetto of just not liking those ingredients, were telling me hey, I'm seeing the before and afters, and I just paid a lot of money for laser hair removal. Is there anything that I can do? I want those skin benefits. I see it, I want it, it makes sense for me. Is there anything that I can do? But I don't want to trigger hair growth. I'm not into that. So I thought about that, and I was wow, actually that makes sense. And there really isn't much on the market that is just skin. it is almost always hair, skin, nails. But I believe in the way this formula is set up so much, and I believe in the results so much, that I wanted to come out with this for those of you out there that want something that is really going to help your skin glow and feel good from head to toe. So let's talk about what is added into Kiwi Seed Booster. So we have our 11 ingredients that are in the original formula. The ones we added in are bromelain, which is derived from pineapple, and this has been found to decrease the body's inflammatory response. Inflammation for me is like the number one beauty thief. When I am inflamed, and trust, I get inflamed so easily. It's like I can pick out videos where I'm like, whoa, someone had gluten the night before. Like my body gets kicked into action where it just wants to swell. It wants to inflame. So I personally love when I find something that helps my body to calm down. So bromelain is going to be a beautiful way to help your body out to not have that triggered inflammatory response. It's also an antioxidant. It's going to make other ingredients that are in Kiwi Seed Booster work better. And moving on to the next one, we have quercetin, which is hard to read, kind of weird word, but what this is a flavonoid that is found in leafy greens, in tomatoes. This is going to help fight free radicals. This is also going to join hands with your bromelain. It's going to join hands with the kiwi seed extract, which I'm getting to. And it's kind of one of those situations where everything's just better together. So moving on to the powerhouse ingredient in Halo Kiwi Seed Booster, you guessed it, it's Kiwi-Rx, which is a kiwi seed extract. And I think it's so awesome that we were able to discover something to make the Ceramide RX more powerful. So again, it's one of those things where you are making something that's already really great even better. I love that it is only one supplement per day and that you're gonna get those, beautiful results. Like when you see a rough spot on your body calm down, that's real. Like that's your body being able to heal itself. And that's such a cool thing. I have to also say, on the argument of supplements, a lot of people are like, oh, well, just eat food and you get your vitamins and minerals and everything from your food. And yeah, you can get a lot of them, but the way that our soil is, the way that food is produced nowadays, it's very different than, what it once was. And many of us are depleted of things that our body needs. And then there are other ingredients like Ceramide RX that you're not gonna get from just eating your lunch. So everything that we added in is there to support what was already a great formula, but we took out the biotin, took out the saw palmetto. Now it is exclusively all about glowing skin, clear skin, hydrated skin, and it's $10 cheaper. So I hope you guys enjoy this new launch. I have more on the way. I have not stopped working. This is going to be like an incredible year. I am not stopping just with supplements. I want to go into many different avenues, but I want to do it right. We are all overwhelmed with the amount of product that is out there, and I truly believe that, nutraceuticals, nutracosmetics, wellness, I really feel like this is going to be something that is very important moving forward. People are starting to pay attention. They're starting to understand that if you feel good and your skin looks great, that you might not want to pile on as much makeup, and it shifts things. Even with the photo shoot that we did for Kiwi, I didn't wear foundation, none. Like I wore a little concealer, I worked with a makeup artist, she put some cream blush on me, some bronzer, but my skin was bare. And I left the studio and I was like, wow, like I am at a place where my skin is good. I'm a 36-year-old woman. I take care of myself. I have a good skincare routine. Yeah, I tweak things here and there. The last time I did my launch, everyone's like, but you get Botox. You've admitted it on camera. Yeah, I've gotten Botox to get rid of right here. I have 11s. It's hereditary. I look angry. What this does is it improves the quality of your skin. If I just did Botox and I didn't moisturize my skin and I didn't eat well and I didn't sleep and I didn't care for my skin at all, I would probably still look a mess. Like I might not have those 2 wrinkles right there and they'd be frozen and they're not moving as much, but the texture on my skin, the hydration on my skin, the breakouts, I would have different issues. I feel like I have it figured out. I like my skin. I mean, even on my arms, even right here, my back, and I attribute so much of that to the ingredients in Halo Hair, Skin, and Nails and Halo Kiwi Seed Booster. The, Ceramide RX, that is what I stand by as the like just juicy ingredient, and it is found in both. I also want to quickly touch on something because I know a lot of you guys are going to ask. Don't feel like, no, I have to buy both. I would recommend doing one or the other. Figure out what you really want. If you are targeting skin, go for it. If you're targeting hair, skin, and nails, then stick with the original formula. Here's the part of the video where I get slightly emotional, but I do have to tell you guys, like sitting here and doing what I'm doing and filming this video, I am so caught up in how cool this is. And I want you to know that I hear the positivity and I focus on that, and I want that to be the driving force. Negative comments and feedback, that doesn't feel good for anyone, but I want you to know that I hear you when you are good and you give good feedback and you give constructive feedback and you cheer me on, or at minimum, you don't tear me down. And I just wish we could all treat each other that way. I think the world needs a lot more good right now, a lot more love right now. And for me, I love my makeup. I love reviewing makeup. I love creating products. I love that I'm going into a category that you're not seeing a ton from right now. It feels really, really cool. And you guys allowed me to do this. And I'm so deeply, deeply grateful. What a ride. Like this launch, I hope goes different than the last one, but if it doesn't, I'm still gonna move ahead and move forward. So thank you from the bottom of my soul, just from the bottom of it right here, just like, thank you so much. If you only knew how much I really had to push through after this first launch went down, but it still felt right the whole time. Like I've just had this feeling the whole time that this is what I was meant to do, and I'm doing it, and I'm doing it well, and I stand by that. So I hope you guys go check this out. Thank you for giving me your time, and thank you for being here and listening to me. And even if you don't buy it, that's okay. I love you. Come hang out with me again on Monday. I'll be hands in the makeup, and we'll have a good week, all right? So check out the website. Information, if you want to do that, will be in the description box below. It's just halobeauty.com. I love you so, so much. Go have an awesome weekend, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Mwah.